Men often struggle with maintaining their masculine presence in relationships. Stoicism teaches us discipline, self-respect, and emotional control, qualities that are crucial in attracting and keeping high-value women. Yet, many men unknowingly sabotage their own success by making simple but devastating mistakes. In this video, we will break down 5 key things men should never do with women, backed by Stoic wisdom, to help you develop a stronger, more confident mindset. Understanding these principles will not only transform your relationships, but also enhance your personal development, self-worth, and long-term fulfillment. Many men enter relationships seeking validation and approval, not realizing that true attraction is built on a solid foundation of inner strength, emotional control, and personal growth. The more you understand the dynamics of relationships through a Stoic lens, the better equipped you are to handle challenges and make decisions that align with your values and personal growth. Number 1. The biggest turnoffs that destroy attraction. Women are instinctively drawn to strength, confidence, and leadership. However, certain behaviors immediately kill attraction, often without men realizing it. Seeking constant validation. If you keep fishing for compliments, approval, or reassurance, you signal insecurity. Marcus Aurelius said, "The happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts." Focus on inner validation instead of relying on a woman's approval. Neediness and clinginess. Women appreciate attention, but overdoing it shows desperation. When you constantly text, call, or demand her time, she starts losing respect for you. Lack of ambition. A man without goals or a sense of purpose quickly becomes unattractive. Epictetus reminds us, if you want to improve, be content to be thought foolish and stupid. Prioritize personal growth over chasing fleeting relationships. Furthermore, men who overly express jealousy or insecurity tend to push women away. A man who is confident in his value does not need to monitor or control his partner. Instead, he trusts himself and the relationship. Trust is earned, not enforced, and acting out of fear or insecurity only weakens attraction. Additionally, avoid oversharing personal problems too early. While emotional openness is important, constantly dumping your struggles on a woman can make you appear weak rather than strong. Stoicism teaches us to control our emotions and face our struggles with resilience. A high-value man handles his problems internally before seeking support in a healthy way. Number 2. Why emotional control is key in relationships. A Stoic man understands that emotional outbursts, whether anger, jealousy, or desperation, only weaken his position. Women respect men who maintain their composure, especially in difficult situations. Reacting emotionally, whether it's getting jealous over her male friends or blowing up in arguments, losing control makes you look weak. Being too accommodating, always agreeing with her to avoid conflict, is a form of self-betrayal. As Seneca said, "He who is brave is free." Be brave enough to stand by your values. Stoic approach. When faced with emotional triggers, pause, breathe, respond rationally instead of reacting impulsively. A calm, centered man earns respect and admiration. Stoicism emphasizes the importance of controlling how we respond to external events. In relationships, this means not allowing your emotions to dictate your actions. When a man loses control of his emotions, he gives away his power. A woman respects a man who can handle difficult situations with poise, rather than reacting impulsively out of anger or insecurity. Another key aspect of emotional control is being able to walk away when necessary. Many men fear losing a woman so much that they tolerate disrespect or mistreatment. A high-value man, on the other hand, knows his worth and is willing to walk away from situations that do not serve him. The ability to walk away is one of the strongest displays of emotional control and self-respect. Number 3. How simp behavior makes you look weak in her eyes. Being kind is one thing, but overcompensating and putting her on a pedestal is a mistake. A woman wants a partner, not a servant. Excessive gifts and favors. If you try to buy her affection, you signal low value. Real attraction comes from who you are, not what you give. Agreeing with everything she says. Healthy relationships require mutual respect, not submission. As Marcus Aurelius noted, waste no more time arguing about what a good man should be. Be one. Have your own mind, letting her control the relationship. When a man loses his leadership role, the dynamic shifts, often in a way that destroys attraction. A man must lead with strength and confidence. Simp behavior often arises from a scarcity mindset, believing that a particular woman is your only chance at love or happiness. In reality, a confident man with a purpose and strong boundaries will naturally attract the right partner. Women respect men who are confident in themselves and do not compromise their values for approval. Furthermore, a man should never put a woman in a position where she feels pressured to take responsibility for his happiness. A woman is not a man's purpose. She is a complement to his life. When a man becomes overly dependent on a woman for happiness, he loses his masculinity and, in turn, his attractiveness. Number 4. The secret to maintaining your masculine presence. A true man is rooted in his values and mission. Women respect men who know their worth and refuse to compromise their dignity. Never abandon your purpose for a woman. Your goals come first. Women are attracted to men who have a direction in life. Maintain your standards. Set clear expectations in relationships. If something disrespects you, address it. Don't become complacent. Keep improving. Seneca stated, "Luck is what happens when preparation meets opportunity." Stay prepared, keep growing, and never let comfort weaken your edge. A man who maintains his masculine presence does not get swayed by temporary emotions. He remains grounded in his beliefs and is not afraid to stand alone when necessary. Women respect men who are secure in themselves and do not compromise their values for anyone. Additionally, maintaining your masculine presence means taking care of your physical, mental, and emotional well-being. A high-value man prioritizes his fitness, mental clarity, and financial stability. He understands that his value comes from being his best self, not from trying to impress others. Number 5. Why a Stoic man's mindset gives him the upper hand in dating. A Stoic man has control over his emotions, decisions, and actions. This makes him irresistible because he's grounded in his values rather than seeking validation from others. He doesn't chase, he attracts. High-value men don't beg for attention. They focus on their own path, and the right people naturally come into their lives. He handles rejection effortlessly. Instead of seeing rejection as a personal failure, he views it as redirection towards something better. He remains unshaken by tests. Women naturally test men to see if they're truly strong. A Stoic man passes these tests with calm confidence. Men who embrace Stoicism develop a mindset that commands respect and admiration. If you want to attract high-value women, you must first become a high-value man. Stop the behaviors that weaken your position. Cultivate emotional control and always prioritize your own purpose and growth. What do you think? Have you made any of these mistakes before? Comment below. Subscribe for more Stoic wisdom and self-improvement. Like and share this with someone who needs to hear it.